Astral beings, check out these Sandhill cranes. Having some lunch right now. There's 4 of them. They are looking for some foods. Nice. They're probably finding some good stuff in this spot. Wow, they're so beautiful. It's a full family. It's probably 2 adults and 2 young. Most likely. I mean, it could be 3 young ones, while the other one is, out somewhere else. But it's most likely 2 adults and two young. As of right now, they don't even care that I'm here. They don't mind at all, which is surprising. This is a very popular park, though. A lot of people do come here. Nice. This one right here is almost like, pretty much like almost right up to me at this point. Hello. It's probably just so much food that they are just distracted.